everybody, Jake Bluckenstaff here, and welcome to my newest listing in Spratlin Mill. You don't want to miss this custom built home. Come on in. So some of the amazing features that you're not going to want to miss in this home is it is a smart choice, energy efficient, provided by Jackson EMC home that has the blown-in insulation on the rafters, so you have a seamless air-conditioned bill throughout the year. There's going to be a laundry chute for convenience for the kids to be able to drop clothes down directly into the laundry room. And one of my personal favorite features is the outside back patio where you can relax year-round and take advantage of the hot tub. Check it out.